Hey guys, back here with, well, another video. I've not posted it for a long time, but I wanted to show off something I've kind of trying to learn. I'm not very good at it yet. I'd say I'm kind of mediocre at, but I only know a few tricks. It's called the Balisong, otherwise known as the butterfly knife. Now, I'm going to clarify here, I don't have a knife one, only have a comb one. But I wanted to show off my tricks that I know so far, and if anyone knows the names of these tricks, it'd be helpful if you could tell me in the comments. Thank you. First one I know. Pretty sure this is the standard opening and closing. Next, I know this. That was a mess up. Let me try again. This. I also know this, where I get to this stage. Damn it. Now, I'm gonna kind of do that slow motion to explain what that was, in case you couldn't tell. Right, so I go. Like that. As of now, those are actually the only tricks I know how to do.